20W PD 3.0 QC 3.0 USB-C power adapter designed for fast charging with iPhone 14 14 Pro, 14 Max, 14 Pro Max, SE 2022, 13 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 13 Mini, 12 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 12 Mini, SE, 11 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XR, XS Max, X8 Plus, iPad Pro, Mini, Air, Samsung Galaxy S22 S21 FE S20 Note 20 Ultra A53 A13 A02 SA03 SA10 EA11 A12 A20 A21 A32 A42 A50 A51 A52 A71 S10 ES10 S9 S8 Google Pixel 6a6 Pro 5a54 A43 A3, 2, X, L, LG Stylo 654 V60 ThinQ, Moto G Power, G Stylus, G Play G8 G7, OnePlus 10, 9, 9T88 T77 T Pro 66T. 2-in-1 fast charging USB-C charger block. This iPhone charger block provides fast and efficient charging with power delivery and quick charge 3.0 technology. USB-C charging port with a USB-C to Light-ning Cable can fast charge the iPhone 12 up to 50% in just 30 minutes, 3x faster than a 5W USB charger plug. Quick Charge 3.0 charging port can rapidly charging your Android phone from 0% to 80% in about 35 minutes, 4 times faster than ordinary charger adapter, save more time. Dual-port USB-C and USB-A charger block. Double USB wall charger adapter allow fast charge the newest iPhone and Samsung phones simultaneously at full speed with a max output of total 20W. The USB-A port and the USB-C port both deliver 3 amps output and are compatible with any Quick Charge 3.0 devices for rapid charging, frees you from messy chargers with various interfaces and charge 2 different devices at the same time. Great for Android and iOS devices. Safety guaranteed. This iPhone charger brick designed with high-grade fireproof ABS and Smart IC technology to intelligently identifies potential risks and automatically stop charging when power is full, ensure safe charging and great protection against short-circuiting, overheating, overcurrent and overcharging. The flame-retardant ABS housing can protect the iPhone plug resistance to high temperatures for better heat dissipation and also protect against scratches, scrapes, bumps and drops. What you get. 3-pack 20W PD plus Quick Charge 3.0 dual-port Type-C wall charger plug. 7x 12 hours reliable and friendly customer service. 12-month warranty specification. Top reviews from the United States. Good price, works well. Works as advertised. Goodbye.